Okay, we're back again. Hello folks, thanks for joining me on this video. I wanted to update everyone on what's been happening. I've done a little bit of work since my last video rant. Anyway, my son and I are going to point out some things. My little boy Ryan, he's just standing here, he's so enthused about this. Likes to watch the progress every day. So let me show you a few things of what's going on. Okay, first of all, there's my son Ryan.
Hi guys.
Alright, let me show you what's going on. What have we done up here? Ryan, we did the roof.
Yeah, we've got like the part where it's up here.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna start off the roof over here.
Right.
See all these stuff?
So we got the rafters are in place. Only the middle one is kind of screwed in. It's just it's been temporary, but it gives you an idea of the shape, the overall shape of this thing.
This is where the door is gonna be.
Yeah. Let's show them where the door is going to be. It's going to be two doors, remember? One in the front and one in the back.
There's going to be one door right here, basically.
Right.
And then there's going to be another door right here, because my dad said there's going to be two.
Right. Okay.
And then the windows are going to be like 2x4, right?
Actually 2 by 6. 2 feet by 6 feet. On each side.
So it's going to be right here.
On each side.
And then there's another one right here.
Right. Okay. Alright, the other thing I did, if you can see, let me get you over here on this side. You can see these bolts that I showed on one of the other videos. They're L-shaped. They go through the deck. Now, on a lot of these boats, when you buy them, this aluminum piece here is spaced all the way down, and there'll be an open space, closed, open, so on and so on. And this one is solid all the way through, so in order for me to make this work, I had to drill, I think that's about a 3-inch, 2.5 or 3-inch hole. I think it's 3-inch hole, so I can get to the nut. You can just see it in there. The bolt's sticking through, and there's a washer and a nut, and that is what's going to hold the entire thing onto the deck. So that's some of the progress that's been done here. I've got some braces up temporarily to hold the corners. I've got some prefab cut 2x4s here, notch. These are gonna go on each side of the door jamb. These notches are basically at the post here is the bottom of the window. I may go higher with them. If so, then I'll just use that as a brace hole. If you notice, I've used some metal brackets way up on the corner. You can see a little angle there. That was for a couple of reasons. I got plenty of strength when it's notched into the 2x4, but you know, the way to really keep it square, that's what I was more concerned about. So I bought those little metal brackets. It worked out fine. They do a good job. And once you tighten up all the screws, you have a really good square fit there. Okay, these little jack pieces I got on there, these little 2x4s, right here, I didn't want to overframe this thing. It needs to be lightweight, so they're basically these short pieces of 2x4 with the roof rafters notched in. Now I have stacks of these 1x2 furring strips. Unfortunately, it's getting very hard to find good straight clear lumber these days, but these strips, the 1x2s, will end up going crossways 1 foot apart, 12 inches apart, from the end all the way down to the other side, and then I will mount a special piece of plywood that we've talked about, tape the seams, and put a rubber roof coating on it. Now I've still got to build an extra 4 feet overhang, because this is the bow of the boat, and I want this to be roof to be covered. And then the same thing in the back of the boat. I need a 3 foot overhang there. I'll put some quarter post. I was deliberating about using or reusing the aluminum frame, which I'll show you is basically stacked up here. Didn't know exactly if I was going to reuse some of it, these aluminum railings. I think what I'll do is end up just putting those on Craigslist and selling them, and using that money to buy some more material to complete this thing. So anyway, there you have it. That's the progress so far. And me and my little buddy here, we've been working hard on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. Well, we'll get back with you soon on further progress. Hopefully, I'll be much
here
further
we are,
along. Covered up. It's about to rain. I don't have any way of working on it today if it rains, so I've got it covered up temporarily. Kind of looks like pretty much what a finished product will look like in shape. Had to re-secure the trailer a little bit today. It was about to fall off its jack stands, which I have down here. So now I have 2 jack stands and a hydraulic jack. So I think those 3 points should work out fine. So that's a way of keeping the lumber pretty dry, and you know. But I think she's gonna look pretty cool when she finally gets a roof on her. So the river rat's taking shape. Alright, till the next video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, dislike, make some comments, and we'll see you later. This is Andre signing off, the River Rat, Shanty Shack.